Good morning. Today's my birthday. I'm 26 years old. I'm in South America by myself. What? This is amazing. Don't let me get emotional. I'll get emotional. Anyway, I literally just got winded getting dressed. Quick fit check. And this is my money belt. That is actually just a running belt. I still can't get over that this is the view right as I walk out of the hostel. Okay, it's day 2 and I still haven't figured out the rules for crossing the road here. I kind of am just going when I think I'm supposed to go, but then people honk at me, so I don't know if that's actually right. There's lots of stray dogs here in Cusco, and they're like the types of dogs that people would want in their homes. They're beautiful dogs, and there's lots and lots and lots of them. When do I cross? I don't know how to do this. Okay. Some of them places aren't open yet. Oh my god. I'm just looking. Gracias. I'm gonna get a juice though. I'm for sure getting a juice. Sorry everybody. Frutas. Lots of fruit I've never seen before. I found the food. It smells so good over here. Chicken, chicken, chicken. How sweet! Oh my gosh, and their daughter looks just like them. Wow, these are beautiful flowers. Some of them I've never seen before. Okay, I think I found actually like the restaurant section over here. I think I found where I'm going to eat breakfast. Okay, of all the breakfast places, there's a bunch to choose from, but clearly you can see there's like a concentration of people over here. I'm just gonna go where there's the most people, because maybe there's a reason why that's empty. This is pan con palta, which is just bread and avocado. So essentially my favorite, avo toast.
Yeah, mami.
Muchas gracias. Okay. This is strawberry with milk. Oh look, very clear signage. But I'm still gonna walk. I have no idea what's going on. It looks like it's about to be a parade. Get it! You look good. Yeah, girls, women, go kids. So last night I signed up for a walking tour. There's a few options, but I went to IncanMilkyWay.com and I booked a free walking tour. There's also a free walking tour Cusco or something, but this one just had more reviews on TripAdvisor. People were going like above and beyond, saying all this awesome stuff, so I thought I would book this one instead. It's still free. I think it's about 2 hours. We're gonna start in about 10 minutes. I made the reservation. I think if you're gonna do it, go ahead and go online and make the reservation, because at least one person got turned away because they didn't have a reservation. So even though it's free, make sure you sign up at least the night before. That's what I did. I actually didn't get the email, so maybe try it more than the night before, but they still let me in because I pulled up the website.
So good morning everybody, my name is Cesar. I'm going to be your guide for this morning. Our tour is going to last 2 hours and a half approximately. We're going to explore the most important part in the downtown, and we're going to pass by the most important monuments, okay? in this tour, okay? I'm gonna tell you the itinerary. We're gonna talk about this place. Next spot is the Plaza San Francisco, where we find like a beautiful churches and also a beautiful botanic garden. After that, we go to the San Pedro Market. San Pedro Market, we explore this area, and after San Pedro Market, we start to walking to the Plaza de Armas. Over there, I'm going to explain you about the buildings over there, some information, and after that, we go to we start to walking by Inca Street. So we're going to see remains of Inca Palace and Inca temples in this tour. Okay? Cusco, in this day, is one of the most important cities in Peru because the tourism is one of the main activities in this tour. No? The name of this city given by the Incas was not Cusco, was Cusco. Okay? If you explore the Cusco, you are going to see words like Q-O-S-Q-O. That means the real name. This word means navel or court. And who were the Incas? You wonder who were Incas? Incas were the high class, the ones that conquered the other territory. Engineers, architects, astronomers, for example. No Incas, no? The Incas, they were killed all or murdered in the 1572. They ran away to one Inca city called Vilcabamba, and then Spanish found that place in that year and they murdered all of them. In the market you can find like many things like fruits, like chocolate, meals, everything much more cheaper than supermarket like this one, Orion, or like in the Plaza de Armas. Okay, so here it's a good place for shopping. Okay, in Cusco the only thing you have to worry is pickpocket. When you go like market like this or when you go crowded places, watch out your belongings in that one. Okay, the local restaurant in the market, here you can find the cheapest meal in the Cusco city. Only costs 5 soles the menu. Okay.
It gets so cold and so warm really fast. Like as soon as you're in the sun, it's warm and I'm overheated with all the clothes that I have. But then as soon as I'm in the shade, or like a second ago, it was just pouring. So you gotta really have layers that you could take off and put on.
That's why condors die, because the power line, because they fly very fast, like 120 kilometers per hour, so that they don't see this one. Other reason why they kill is why they die is because they kill himself. Okay, condors, they are like very monogamic. For example, if the female condor die, the condor male kill himself. He just jump from the cliff, don't open the wings, and just die.
What?
No, because they want to follow the partner to the other line. They are very, very monogamic and loyal. Okay, but only the male one. The female one finds another younger condor. Okay,
yep.
According to the information. Okay, because they are more intelligent, more intelligent than the male condors. Okay, in Peru, in these days, only there are 3,000 condors approximately in the whole Peruvian territory. According to some investigation, maybe in 40 years, no more condors.
Plaza de Armas. So beautiful with the sun out now.
Other place you should go is in the upper part where you see the white Christ. The white Christ where you can see the whole Cusco city. Okay? How you can get there? From this plaza, you go to this church in the middle, go on the right, and you're gonna find like a store, and in the middle of this store is a pan. All the way there, and you have the best view of Cusco city. Only 40 minutes take to be there. The white Christ was donated by the Palestinian community. If you go there, you will see Palestinian community donation. Where the KFC, just 1 minute up, is the Inca Museum. There you can find the best Inca architecture tools, also engineering tools, even mummies. The Incas mummify people from high class. You can find over there those mummies. The entrance is 10 soles and 1 hour is enough to see the whole Inca Museum. Okay? That's the best one of all of them we have in this city. Okay?
Okay, I just finished the 2.5 hour free walking tour. That was really, really great. I highly suggest doing that if you're in Cusco, and I highly suggest doing it your first day. It gives you a good lay of the land of the area, and then information that you wouldn't know otherwise. And the only thing I had to pay was tip, and they don't even make you pay that, but you should. On the walking tour, I also learned the right way to cross the street. If there's no signs or street lights or whatever, you just cross when you can and you put your hand out, which is what I've been doing. People honk at you, it's fine. Now, I'm going to try to go to Cristo Blanco. It's just about 1 o'clock right now. My only concerns are that it's been raining off and on all day and I don't have the right shoes, but I think I can make it happen. I think I'm gonna make it happen. The other concern is also the elevation. Right now I'm already a little out of breath just walking this small incline. So I'm gonna have to take it really slow. Okay, the rain has started. The small hail has started. I'm so out of breath already. So I'm gonna take a quick breather while I'm in the under something. Holy crap. All right, here's like the first cool view. It's so foggy though. That is promising. I don't know if you can even see it, but the clouds are parting. Okay, these stairs are getting pretty steep. Let's go. I'm trying to just take it slow, not push myself, but keep going. Waiting out the rain again. I can't even film. Ah! The real rain begins. I'm gonna wait out here for a little bit. Look who is here to greet me at the top. Hey guy. Okay, I made it to some version of the top. I'm gonna keep walking though, because it's not like, I obviously don't see Cristo Blanco here. I think I gotta keep going this way. There he is. I'm gonna punch in because I'm too tired to even zoom in right now. But I see it. There's a sign that says Cristo Blanco. I made it. But we made it because you did that with me. Look at this. Now look at this. Okay, time to get some pics. Okay, I definitely think it's worth it. You should walk up the 40 minutes or more. You should be really tired and whatever, but do it, because this was an incredible free view and it's not too crowded up here. You could actually, if you don't want to walk, you can take a taxi up here too. But I would say the walk is nice because then you get to walk through Cusco. But this view is just fantastic. I absolutely love it here. But it's really cool. Just want to say that I did this entire hike in Vans, which are probably the literal worst shoes that I could have worn. So if I can do it in Vans, I'm pretty sure you can do it in whatever shoes you're wearing. All the way down to the city. See, I was just thinking this is the benefit of solo travel, because I woke up early, like really early, before 7 a.m. I got up, walked around, went on a free walking tour, and then went on a 40-minute hike. Because right now, I feel great, I feel excited. I feel like I did a lot, and this is only 2:30, so I have so much more of the day to do. I'm gonna try this place. It's called Greens Organic, and it's supposed to have a lot of veggie options. So hopefully I can find something healthy-ish. Here's the menu. I like that they said that they've been open for 13 years and they're everywhere when you look at like the best places to eat. This is the menu, so it's got starters and salads, sandwiches, main courses, and then pastas, dessert, and then all this menu is drinks. So I did not choose to get anything alcoholic. I got the limonada because he said that that was gonna go best with what I ordered, which was the trout and mango ceviche. I have to show you. This is my first Peruvian ceviche. This is mango trout ceviche. It looks so good. Thank you. And then I got this lemonade over here on the side. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And I'm out here on the terrace by myself. It's so pretty. It's a small little thing. That's so good. I'm gonna shut this off because I need to eat. I remember people saying that it's the best ceviche, but this is the best ceviche I've ever had. And I've had a headless ceviche. That was really sweet and nice. Alfredo gave me a 15% off coupon for my next purchase here. So I'm definitely gonna come back and try breakfast because they have a lot of juices, a lot of fresh food and juices, and that was the best thing I've ever eaten. So of course I'm gonna try something else here. Muchas gracias. Here's to 26. What up, what up? I'm at the hostel. I'm finishing up getting ready for bed. This Diamox has helped, I think, is helping so much. I have not had like really any symptoms. I booked a tour for tomorrow, a full day Sacred Valley tour. I literally just walked into Plaza de Armas and I just chose any, like, there's 1,000,001 places to choose. So I just chose any of the tour companies that were around there. I went into the first one and I had like actually hopped around and like gotten information from I think 3 places before choosing this place just randomly. After talking with those places and my research online, I kind of just realized that all of these trips are the same exact one. I think it kind of comes down to the tour guide that you get, and that's sort of just like your tour guide is kind of up in the air. It's just like whoever they put you with. Oh my gosh, the free walking tour that I did today was amazing. I highly recommend that to anybody in Cusco, but then also I think that's going to be something that I adopt to for all of my trips, because that was a great way to just get as much information about, like, historical information about the place that you're in so quickly while you're looking at all of those things. So I learned a lot about Cusco. I learned a lot about Peru, a lot about the Incas, which, wow, mind blown. And the hike to Cristo Blanco was hard, and I think it was harder because it's only my second day, but it was definitely worth it. It's not that long of a hike, but it is, I would say it's challenging. But alternatively, you could take a taxi up there. I just think that the view was really beautiful. It is, but part of like the sweetness of the experience was that I like made it all the way up there. Today was an amazing day. It was a great birthday. I'm gonna finish getting ready for bed and I will see you early in the morning. I have to be at Plaza de Armas at 6:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna wake up here at 5:30. Okay, see y'all soon.